I have done my office task just after an intense panic attack and kept on crying while editing my codes. Many times. Hi, my name is Shantanu and I'm a depression survivor. Survivor seems to be too much for a depression patient, right? But believe me, it isn't. I have a history of 6 years of depression, which actually came in two phases. Due to lack of proper knowledge and a proper, let's say, treatment, the first phase was very long, and the second phase has been going on for the last 1 year. When I said survivor, it means that I have saved my life many times by a few minutes. And why I'm telling you this story on a fitness channel, Fit Tradition, because I have been associated with fitness industry, health and fitness industry for 2 years. And I have a transformation story as well. This is me in 2015, 38% body fat, not able to run for more than 500 meters, no push-ups, no pull-ups, and had many health issues. And this is me in 2017 with doing workouts on and off. I was having 36% of body fat and able to do 15 push-ups, no pull-ups, 3 kilometers of running, and had an anger that pushed me to become this in 2019. You can see the changes on the body, but the major change was inside my brain. I was depression free, could run 13 kilometers, 50-60 push-ups, 20 pull-ups, and had 11.5% of body fat. I was doing really well in all the aspects of my life, like office, health, diet, family, personal projects, side businesses, etc. I was able to do many tasks in a day because my days and my goals were precisely planned. I was looking forward to learn CrossFit and earn a certification of it, and now I'm like this. I have gained a lot of fat and lost a lot of precious muscles. What happened to me? Suddenly in May 2019, my performance started falling. I started feeling sad, uninterested, drained, drained out, started losing stamina, strength, focus, efficiency. I used to have short-term memory loss, panic attacks, giddiness, insecurity, crowd fear, and many more. I tried to control it by my own, but things kept getting worse and worse. Symptoms along with the physical ones. I had insomnia as well, which was so intense that even sleeping pills was not able to give me a good night's sleep. How much ever I tried to control it, I was falling back more. There were days I have done my office task just after an intense panic attack and kept on crying while editing my codes. Many times the screen used to get blurred because I had extreme lack of focus. While doing exercises, I have even puked and again came back and on the floor and done snatches. Honestly, keeping myself alive was much more difficult than accepting death. If I keep telling you all the stories and emotion, the video can stretch to a size of a movie. It is almost impossible to explain the pain I have. Story end here? No. Lot of suicide stories and news, and these are not new things. People around them, they actually don't know how to deal with the patients. Chill bro, all is well, why are you overthinking, take a chill pill type comments, and comparison actually push them more towards the death. To support all the mental health patients out there and the people around them, I have taken one challenge to transform myself live, both mentally and physically, for the next 6 months. Every week I'll be showing you how I'm dealing with my issues, what food I'm eating, and what exercises I'm doing. So it will be my personal journey uh, for a healthy mind and a body, you can say. I will also work on my focus, efficiency and quality of my work. I need you to join me in this journey. I'll also share my knowledge with you so that you can help someone dealing with the issues. Let's spread our arms towards the people who need the most. Please share the video with your loved ones and follow Fit Tradition on Instagram, Facebook and YouTube. See you there.